Hello, I'm Mike from HobbyPrint. During the course of trying to make a video, attempting, that kind of failed, this was to set up a WF2110, and we were setting it up because a customer had reported that they were having problems. We think we found what the problem is, and we thought it would be a good idea to show you. So we've gone through, all we've done is unpacked. The printer hasn't had any cartridges in, even though you see them there. We didn't get to that point. So let's just plug the cable in. And what we're going to do is power it up, and if you see your printer do this, you need to come on to us and we can arrange a swap out, because basically it's a manufacturing issue. So we've turned it on there, and let's see what happens. It should cycle through and allow us to install cartridges. But as you can see, you've got all of the lights flashing. And I'm going to ask Sandra to zoom in so that you can see that fairly clearly. And I'm going to shut this case so I can hold it up. There we go. You've got lights, it's like a Christmas tree. If you get that, we couldn't find a way around it. What you would normally do here is press the dustbin icon, which is this button here, hold it in for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. I'm going to hold it in more. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's give it every chance. And what should happen is the ink cartridge carrier should move over and park where you can put the cartridges in. But that isn't going to do anything, and there is no point in going any further forward. So that's a return, and if you get that, that is a return. We need to have the printer back here, and we need to replace that for you. So if you do find that, apologies. If you get onto us quickly, we'll try and get it sorted within a day or two for you. Okay, thank you. And by the way, before I go, you will see the on-screen support number to contact us on. Thank you.